Guess the country by its foods.
Shout out sa mga nag-share sa last part.
First, tacos. Tacos.
Italy.
Wrong.
Ay,
USA.
Wrong.
Comment down
Comment
below
below.
your answers.
Answer is
Comment your answer.
aw.
sushi.
Japan.
Very good idiot. 1, 2,
Mamaya to eh.
3, go. Pizza.
Italy.
Very good.
Ano dito ang Italy di ay?
Next.
Hamburger.
USA.
Very good.
Isulti ko yun yung unsa na pangalan. Spaghetti and carbonara. Italy? Ay.
Italy.
Oh, thank you. I want solutions, man. I want it. Really, guys. Oh.
Paella.
Paella. Paella.
Ah, ang palaya.
Paella. Paella.
Kuan na ay kaning India?
Wrong. Beach.
Kuan.
Morocco?
Di.
Morocco?
Di
Wrong.
na Morocco ko na.
Answer is
Spanish ay Spain.
Comment down below your answers.
Kani. Feijoada.
Fiji.
Wrong.
India?
Wrong.
answer is
Indonesia.
Comment
down
your
below
answer.
Kani. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kimchi.
South Korea.
Batia.
4 points each.
Next. Fish and chips.
USA.
Wrong.
Patay. Unsa man ang fish. Kuan kaning.
Dali ba?
Kuan ay dito sa.
USA.
Wrong.
Oh,
zero ba yung gigon?
Italy dyan, Italy.
Wrong.
No, no.
Mana ka?
Italy.
Wrong.
Wrong. Answer is
Comment down below.
England.
England.
Ay,
Sabi niya ni
kabuang ako.
asadas.
India.
Wrong.
Mexico.
Wrong.
Morocco.
Wrong.
Kuan kaning. Spain.
Wrong. Spain.
Spain.
Greece.
Wrong. Mana ka?
Italy.
Wrong.
Comment your
Kani.
answer.
Burrito.
Ay. Kuan.
Italy.
Wrong.
Ay, ang
Spain?
ito.
Wrong.
Macau.
Wrong.
Ay, isa dito.
Vietnam.
Wrong.
Unsa oy?
Nitch.
Greece.
Wrong. Answer is
Mexico di ay.
Mexico. Kani. Meat pie.
Meat pie. No, no, to. USA.
Wrong.
Wala mo mag-go.
Wrong.
Ay. Ay, dilig yun, dilig. So,
Ang vlog.
Vlog. Dili.
5,
UK.
4, 3,
Italy.
2,
Greece.
1. Beep beep.
Comment down below today.
Australia. Next is hotdog.
Humba.
Mm.
USA.
Very good. Next is tteokbokki.
Korea.
Very good again.
3 points.
Kani. Next is pad thai.
Patay.
Patay.
Patay ka
Patay ko,
dito.
Andy.
5,
Oh,
4,
katulungan mo eh.
India.
3,
Morocco.
Italy.
2,
Mexico.
1. Beep beep.
Italy.
Thailand.
Patay.
Next
Sumay.
is momos.
Momos. Tungtong.
Greece.
Wrong.
Belgium.
Wrong.
Balik-balik lang yung gipa.
5, 4,
Saan na momos?
3,
Italy.
2,
Balik na ko.
1.
Fiji.
Italy.
Sabi Fiji.
Oo. Nepal.
Nepal. Next is biryani.
Biryani.
India.
Very good Danielle.
4 points. India.
Kani. 5, 4. Di lang kumusulti. 3,
Oh, buti.
2, 1.
Kailan.
Chicken adobo.
Ay, Philippines!
Ako yung una.
Sashimi.
Sashimi.
Korea.
Wrong.
Japan.
Very good, Emil.
5 points. Like 5 points each.
Next is
Sashimi.
sweet and sour pork.
Sweet and sour pork Philippines.
Wrong.
USA.
Wrong.
Mexico.
Egypt.
Wrong.
Belgium.
China.
China.
Top shout out time. Shout out na hello kay Kian May Lorenzo, Eliza P. Rio, Mary Julian Parenio, Frances Divinagracia, Jeshen Pinados, Jaira Corimao Altarejos, Jeda Dia Dalagan, Ron Jason Tinguban, Rin Sofia Mabag, Celio Angelo. Thank you sa pag-share sa Antalasang Mega. God bless everyone.